Welcome back! Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is tomato fried rice. Hope you like it. This recipe is so easy and can be made easily in a short time. It's perfect to make on busy working days. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: tomato, corn kernels, overnight rice. Cubes tomato and set aside. Stir-fry tomatoes to release red oil. Add a tablespoon tomato sauce. Add corn kernels. Add rice and stir-fry evenly. Add a teaspoon soy sauce. Optional to add Thai basil seasoning. Smell great and looks appetizing. Plate fried rice. This fried rice is so easy to make, optional to add also your favorite ingredients such as sausage or luncheon meat at your preference. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. There are more CNY delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Need cooking inspiration. C. The lycopene and vitamin C contained in tomatoes can resist oxidation, help resist ultraviolet rays, promote the synthesis of subcutaneous collagen, and achieve beauty and whitening effects. BC. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin B, vitamin C, and folic acid, which can speed up wound healing, protect skin and bones, and maintain blood sugar stability. The organic acids they contain have an appetizing effect, can promote food digestion, and promote calcium absorption in the gastrointestinal tract. Eating tomatoes raw is rich in water and gives a strong sense of fullness, which helps reduce the intake of other foods. At the same time, eating ripe tomatoes raw can not only satisfy the taste requirements, but also better preserve the vitamins, minerals, and organic acids in them. Eating them cooked is more conducive to the absorption of lycopene. Studies have shown that the lycopene content in tomatoes is as high as 2.5 milligrams, 100 grams. Although tomatoes are good, for some people, eating too much and too frequently can also have obvious side effects on the human body. The following 8 types of people should eat less tomatoes: people who are allergic to tomatoes, people with kidney dysfunction, people with irritable bowel syndrome, people with gastroesophageal reflux disease, heartburn, people who are prone to stomach and abdominal pain, people with urinary incontinence and cystitis, people with migraines, and people who are worried about skin discoloration. Tomatoes and sweet potatoes are incompatible. Eating them together can cause stones, vomiting, abdominal pain, and diarrhea. C. Point. Tomatoes and carrots are incompatible. The vitamin C in tomatoes will be destroyed by the decomposition enzymes in carrots. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.